Will I be correct that you were actually being punished for being disciplined?
I believe so. I believe so, Honorable Member, because it did not only end there. It was not only about sitting at home. It was sitting at home and state security, crime intelligence, deploy counterintelligence against Mkhwanazi, against Khumalo, against Masimula. So we were not just kept at home, but we were being monitored 24/7.
General, you know, you speak interestingly about 2011, especially in relation to crime intelligence. What was happening in 2011? Because some of us for sure were very young, we can't remember properly. What was happening in 2011? Because you keep on referring to 2011, and we're trying to imagine what really happened in the crime intelligence in 2011, which you see it now and gives you those flashbacks of what happened in 2011.
I said, honorable members, I wouldn't want us to maybe go too deep back, but many things were pronounced, ventilated at the Zondo Commission about intelligence, things that were happening. I will invite you to go and read that report again. But at crime intelligence at the time, what was dominating the media space was the looting of the secret fund account in such a manner that it ended up getting a name of slush fund. Majority of the citizens know it as slush fund. It's not a slush fund. It's a secret service account. But because it was misused to that extent, it then became a slush fund. That's what was dominating the media space in 2011 when I came in, which was a sore point within crime intelligence.
But I'll also invite you to go and check my YouTube at that time where I said, when you speak on the phone, you must first greet General Mdluli before you speak to the person you're speaking about, because they were known for illegal interceptions at that time. Am I correct?
Yeah, that's correct. That's correct. That's why General Cele himself, as initial commissioner at that time, fell victim of the same thing.
Now, you now are back, you're appointed, I know you went acting, came back, and then you appointed a provincial commissioner in KZN. How does that happen now, and what is the minister's position in relation to that? Did you object to your appointment or anything of that sort, or there was consensus that you must go to KZN?
You're talking about 2021?
No, when you became full-time, yeah, not acting.
Look, when I approached the National Commissioner in December, there were delays. I met with the minister because he needed to be consulted. Minister Cele at that time did not want me to leave the head office. He wanted me to still remain at the head office, and he felt that maybe my expertise would be wasted if I go to the province. I'm better off to assist at the national level.
When is your contract coming to an end?
My contract is ending at the end of March 2026.
Is there any discussion about renewing a contract, or everybody just went that quiet about it?
No, there's no discussion. The discussion, according to the rules, can only start 4 months before. So we're not there yet.
We're not yet there?
No, we're not there yet.
Okay.